Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to make line breaks in the C++ program output. Here in this program, I have written three different cout statements. The first cout statement is like for Family Computer Center, second one is Doha, Qatar, and the third cout statement is the contact number of Family Computer Center. So I was thinking like as I used three different cout statement, these three output will be coming in three different lines. Okay, let's see that. So I will compile by clicking this button. So I can see the compilation result here. There is no error, there is no warning. Compilation was successful. Now I will run the program by clicking this button. So when I run the program, unfortunately, I can see all this output comes in single line. So my requirement is to show these outputs in multiple lines, more than one lines. Okay. So in order to make line breaks in C++ output, we have two different methods. One is to use the escape character /n. For example, after this statement, I want a line break before the next statement. So I can add a /n inside the quotation over here. See, here's a /n. So same like that, after this statement also, I can add a what /n. Then here also, if I want, I can add a /n. So actually these two /n is more than enough because we want a line break here, we want a line break here also. Now I will compile my program once again. So that compilation also successful. Then I click the run button. So now you can see the output comes in three different lines. See? Okay. So now you can add a /n here. So or what you can do is like you can add a /n at the beginning of this statement. So that is equal. For example, we are saying after the Family Computer Center we need a line break. Or we can even say before the Doha, Qatar we need a line break. So you can simply add a /n here and here so that it will give you the same output. So when I run the program, you can see the output is same because we are saying like we need a line break before the Doha, Qatar and we need a line break after the Doha, Qatar. So this is one way of making the line breaks using /n. What if you use more than one /n? So I'm using two /n's and two /n at the end also. I will compile the program. Then I will run the program. So you can see there is two line breaks. So there is more line breaks before Doha and after Doha. Okay. So if I want a line break before we start Family Computer Center, even I can add a line breaks escape character /n here also. So when I compile and run this program, so you can see I have two line break at the beginning, then it is written Family Computer Center. Then I have a line break before the Doha, Qatar. Then I have a line break after the Doha, Qatar. Correct? Okay. So it's up to you. Where do you want to place the line breaks? Where do you want to place the /n? And how many /n's you want to place depends on how beautiful you want to present your content to the user. So I'm removing these /n's. Okay, so there is another method of making line breaks which is called end L. Okay, so if you want to use end L, what you have to do is like at the end of the Family Computer Center, I want a line break. So I can put a space, then I will use the output operator again, and then there I will write end L. Okay, so here also I will put a end L. Okay, so when I compile and execute the program, so you can see there is line breaks. Okay, so end L is also can be used for making the line breaks, but when you are using the end L is not used inside the quotation of the statement. It is used separately by using a separate output operator. So in this out statement, you can see we have used the output operator more than once. So more than one use of output operator is called cascading of output operator in C++. So in this video, I showed you two methods of making line breaks in C++, either by using the escape character /n or by using the end L keyword. Okay, so it's up to you which method you have to use for making the line break. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.